Welcome to 15 Minute Chef. Tonight is going to be our Fiesta lime chicken. Just want to remind you guys that if you like these shows and they're helpful for you, please don't forget to subscribe on our YouTube channel. And if you have any suggestions for future episodes, we're more than happy to take those suggestions into account. Tonight again is Fiesta lime chicken. So tonight I have some chicken that's just been seasoned. It's chicken breast. First thing I want to do is turn my oven on, 350 to get it baking. Wash my hands. I washed them before, but I'm going to wash them one more time. Okay. So always be careful when you're handling raw chicken. Obviously salmonella. So this chicken actually just has some light seasoning, salt, pepper, but then I'm gonna put some Hidden Valley ranch dressing seasoning directly on the chicken. So it's gonna give it a nice flavor. And then I'm gonna add some lime juice. I have some liquid lime juice in my fridge that I am going to add into it. I'm going to use my good old hand to stir up the seasoning and the ranch seasoning on it. Now, I'm probably not going to use all of these. The rest I'll put in a Ziploc, stick it in the freezer for a later date. Then I'm going to lay some of my chicken breasts. And let me tell you, when I get these chicken breasts, they're usually pretty thick, so I'll cut them in half. That'll also give you a faster cook time. So we're laying these chicken breasts out in our dish. Our oven is on. See if I can fit one more in there. Let's get a good one. There we go. Right there. All right. Put these back here. We're gonna wash our hands again really well since we've been handling some raw chicken. Alright, so we're going to kind of ranch it up. We're going to add some ranch dressing. Ugh, I can get it out. I'm going to add a little strip of ranch like this right over it. And then for my favorite ingredient that makes everything taste great, shredded cheese. We're going to sprinkle a little shredded cheese right over the ranch on top of that chicken. And let me tell you, this stuff bakes up so good. All right. So that is our Fiesta Ranch chicken. We're going to go ahead and add it to the oven. Get it baking. We're going to turn it up to like 400. We can bake it pretty fast because it's thinly sliced chicken, so it'll be good. The next thing we're going to do is the second most time-consuming thing we have to do. And y'all, I have to tell you, we had a small funeral in this house for the rice maker. So tonight, I'm actually borrowing my mom's microwavable rice maker. She's way more high-tech than I am. So I'm going to put my rice mix in here. It calls for 3.5 cups of water. Right there, 3.5 cups. And then I like to put a little olive oil. They call for margarine. I try to stay away from margarine. We try to eat healthy, considering the rest of the meal won't be healthy. Gotta make it up somewhere. 3.5 cups. Oh, we're gonna find out. So put a little olive oil in it. And then we are gonna stick this bad boy on the hook. Mom's saying she doesn't know if the rice cooker will hold this type of action. I said, well, we're about to find out. We're about to enter territory unknown. So I'm gonna clip this together. It's going in the microwave. And then it cooks on a 10-minute rice setting in there. All right. Let's see. Okay, so then the last thing I want to do is I'm going to put together a little homemade Pico de Gallo to go right over the top of our chicken. Because I went to Albertsons today and they didn't have Pico de Gallo. They must be on a Pico de Gallo strike. So we're going to rinse all of our tomatoes and our cilantro and everything like that. And I got some onion. And I think my mom's got some fresh green onion from her garden. Possibly, maybe. Avocados. A lot of people don't rinse their avocados. Please rinse your avocados. Even the outside. All right. So we're going to make some quick Pico de Gallo. Put it in, get it mixed up. Let me tell you, couldn't believe that. It's like the first time I ever went to Albertsons and there was no Pico de Gallo. There was salsa, no pico. And I like pico for this dish because it adds a little bit of height, the level of texture. So I really like it. However, I am going to take some salsa. Woo. And I am going to add it. Rice cooker seems to be holding up, everybody. I am going to add a little salsa to this. About 2 teaspoons. Just give it a little kick. Now, I chop my tomatoes a little big, but I know some people like it really, really small. As a matter of fact, I'm going to get a serrated. So much easier to cut tomatoes when you use a serrated. Give you that grip. So you can kind of decide how you like it. Some nice jazz music over the night. And this is probably the first meal we're having that doesn't involve leftovers from Christmas. I think everybody in the house is pretty excited. I think we finally mastered the leftovers have left the building. So there you go. That's like the start of your Pico de Gallo. Keep mixing that up. I'm going to add 1 more teaspoon of this salsa just to give it a little kick. I got some lime juice I'm going to add. A little fresh onion. And always when we cook, have a little onion left over. It's always good to keep it. You never know when it comes in handy. And then we're going to chop up the fresh cilantro. And avocados were on sale today, so we picked one up. We'll add that in. Here we go. Okay. There's cilantro. Tear off that top right there. So I'm just gonna bend this and kind of put it together like it's a nice ball of hair. And then you're just gonna rock the blade back and forth. Make sure you have a nice sharp knife so it doesn't bruise your cilantro. And And then after I do the first rough cut, I'll come through and I'll pick out like these big stems and pull them out. A little bit of that in there. I love cilantro. My family, not so much. But me, I love it. All right. Got a little, now we got a little pico going on. It's looking good. We're gonna add our avocado in. Now we're not gonna get rid of that cilantro. We'll keep that. We can use that in many, many ways later. Avocado. Watch and learn. You ready? Use this, not this. You have more control down here. And you're gonna run it around. Don't be afraid of your knife. It's not gonna bite you. Turn it open like this. This, again, here. Nice and hard. Turn it, pull it out. Do not touch it. Just do this on the edge of your sink. And there it goes. Goodbye. Goodbye, Steve. Have a great day. And then I go ahead and cut the avocados in halves. And these quarters, you'll see it usually, sometimes it's a little difficult. Most of the time it comes right off. Just depends. Depends on your avocado. This one, it's an avocado that knew it was going to be on TV, so it's super shy. See, here we go. This is a good one, right? Like that. It's perfect. Look right there. Boom. Came right off. Okay. Peels are in the garbage. Wash my hands again. There's a lot of hand washing going on in this house. Okay, so now we're going to go to our cook setting, and you're going to have a rice cook setting, and it's going to ask you how many pounds. That's 1, and I'm going to hit start, and it's going to start finishing cooking the rice in the microwave. Just so y'all know, I got an Instant Pot for Christmas. However, I had no idea that it was so technical. So I think I'm going to have to sit down and read a very long description on how to use it. There's a lot of safety precautions when using an Instant Pot. I'm going to have to watch some YouTube videos and get the lowdown. So we got some nice big chunks of avocado. We got some avocado slices. We're going to add a little avocado to the pico. We're going to add a little avocado to the plate. A little avocado here, a little avocado there. Avocado everywhere. All right. Pico. Check. Rice. Check. Chicken. Check. All right. Let's get this party started. We're going to move this over here. We're going to put our cutting board in the back. And we're going to get ready to set for dinner. So we'll be back in just a second as soon as our chicken comes out the oven. Hey everybody! We are back with 15-minute Chef Fiesta line chicken. We're about to pull the chicken out of the oven. It is looking delicious. I don't know if you guys can see that. Push that a little bit further in so y'all can get a look at it. But it is looking good, good, good in the neighborhood. So we are going to put a piece right there on top of our lettuce. I got some sliced avocado. I busted my cheese out just in case. You can even do a little sour cream right over the top of the chicken. Totally your call. I love sour cream, so I would. And then I'm gonna put a little bit of pico right there on top of the chicken. Looks nice. My mom's fancy high-tech microwave rice cooker. It handled the job like a breeze. Be careful when you take this thing out. You can see all that steam. Steam is painful. All right, we're gonna get a spoon. We're gonna put some of our rice, nice yellow rice, right here. Ooh, I'm spilling stuff everywhere. All right, we're gonna put a little bit of yellow rice. Look how nice and colorful this plate looks. It is looking good. And that is Fiesta line chicken. Okay, if you guys like these episodes, please don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. It'll also give you notifications when a new show comes out. Look forward to seeing y'all next week. Hope y'all are having a happy holiday, and I hope you have a great and safe new year. Can't wait to see you back in the new year, 2021. Oh, bring it on. See y'all soon. Good night.